Delicious apple coffee cake recipe, perfect for a cozy morning. Hey there, foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a treat that's perfect for those cozy mornings or whenever you're in the mood for something sweet and comforting, a mouthwatering apple coffee cake. The combination of tender apples, warm spices, and a crumbly topping is sure to make your taste buds dance. So, let's jump right into the recipe. Ingredients. For the cake. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 1 cup granulated sugar. 2 large eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 cup sour cream. 2 medium apples, peeled, cored, and diced. For the streusel topping. 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. 1/2 cup brown sugar, packed. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1/4 cup unsalted butter, cold and cut into small pieces. Instructions. Prepare the oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9 by 9 inch baking pan. Make the streusel topping. In a bowl, combine the flour, brown sugar, and cinnamon for the streusel topping. Add the cold butter pieces and use a fork or your fingers to blend until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Set aside. Prepare the cake batter. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, ground cinnamon, and nutmeg. In a larger bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in the eggs, one at a time, followed by the vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry ingredient mixture to the wet mixture, alternating with the sour cream. Mix until just combined. Gently fold in the diced apples. Assemble and bake. Spread half of the cake batter into the prepared baking pan. Sprinkle half of the streusel topping over the batter. Spread the remaining cake batter over the streusel layer. Finally, sprinkle the rest of the streusel topping evenly over the top. Bake and enjoy. Place the baking pan in the preheated oven and bake for about 40-45 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once done, remove the cake from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 15 minutes. You can serve the cake warm or at room temperature. It's perfect with a cup of coffee or tea. There you have it, folks, a delectable apple coffee cake that's sure to become a family favorite. The soft, apple-studded layers combined with the delightful cinnamon streusel topping make this cake an irresistible treat. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy baking! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.